Well, the Silverado's back home. I sent it to my buddy Nick to do the gauges for the air ride, and then had it sent from his shop to a friend of mine, Donnie, that does a lot of mechanic work for me. Can't really see, but Donnie did all new exhaust manifold bolts because it had 3 that were broke off in the heads. And Nick did the gauges, which turned out awesome. Got 2 dual needles for the bag pressure and 1 single needle for the tank pressure. Sits in there in the console, looks pretty good. He also, after he did that, before it went to Donnie, realized that the pressure switch wasn't working anymore, so I actually sent it back to his shop. He put a pressure switch on it and went through all the air system to check for leaks. Pretty much everything was pretty good. Had a couple of big leaks in the front that he fixed. But these rear bags, the top plate itself is leaking, which I would assume these bags are probably original to the build, so they're probably 10 plus years old at this point. So I need to get a set of bags ordered for the back. But yeah, other than that, the truck is back home. Still waiting on painted parts. I have not done the seats yet. I've just been super busy. I bought a new daily and I've been tinkering with it a little bit. And this was kind of on the back burner because the truck itself wasn't here. But yeah, I've been storing crap in the bed. It's a mess right now, but I'm actually getting ready to work on it right now. Whenever I had the truck on the trailer after I picked it up, I washed the whole back half of the frame. As you can see, it actually looks fairly decent. But what I'm going to do right now is paint all of this framework. Not really for any reason other than I know that it'll look nice under the bed, because I'm sure nobody will ever see it. But yeah, I'm going to go ahead and do that while the bed's off, and hopefully this weekend, beginning of next week, I can get started on those seats and get those done. And I'm also going to dye the carpet black inside the truck. I've got floor liners that match the seat covers, so the carpet will be covered up anyway, but just in case I pull those liners out, I would like it to have nice fresh black carpet in there. Yeah, we're moving along. Should come together pretty quick now, I think. Still waiting on all the painted panels. But once I've got the bed liner. It's in the house. It showed up the other day, so I need to get working on scuffing this bed after I get the seats and stuff done, which Time has done a good job of scuffing it anyway. But yeah, we'll get that knocked out and get this thing all put back together. Still needs an alignment after all of this, and probably a couple other little small things, but yeah, should come together pretty quick now.